Ashley here, and today we are going to be learning about an ancient cooking tool, the Mano and Metate. Let's get started. The Mano and Metate is a stone two-piece food processing tool consisting of a grinder, the Mano, and a slab, the Metate. They both come in several different shapes and sizes, and the Mano always reflects the shape of the Metate. For thousands of years, cultures all over the world utilized the Mano and the Metate in their cooking, and the Native American cultures of Northwest Arkansas are no exception. Starting in the early 1900s, archaeological digs were done in the bluff shelters of the area in an attempt to find artifacts from the Native American cultures that lived here in Northwest Arkansas as far back as 12,000 years ago, and those digs turned out to be very successful. Many items, including shoes, woven baskets, and stone tools, such as the Mano and Metate, were found on these digs, and it was determined that many of the found items date from 600 BCE to 1600 AD. The Native Americans would use the Mano and Metate to grind the food that they grew and gathered, like corn, nuts, and seeds. To use it, an individual would place the food they wanted to grind on the Metate and then take the Mano and start pressing down on the food and moving it back and forth until it became a flour, like so. Once ground, the flour would be used to make foods such as paste, meal, and even breads. Today, many people still crush and grind their food for cooking. However, we don't use a Mano and Metate. Instead, we use a mortar and pestle, like the one in this picture. The mortar and pestle are not new inventions, though. They have been around since ancient times, just like the Mano and Metate. Thank you for joining me today as we learned about the Mano and Metate. We hope to see you at the museum soon. Bye!